What's going on, guys? Today we have here a 2014 Ford Fusion, and we're gonna be replacing the speakers. So the first thing that we have to do, we're gonna have to remove this door panel. We have two bolts on the bottom. We have to remove master window switch, and there's another screw behind the door handle. Okay, so next thing, we're gonna remove the master window switch. We're gonna disconnect it, and as you can see, we have two more bolts in here. And now we're gonna remove this cover here, and there's one more bolt here. So now let's go ahead and remove all the bolts, and hopefully we can remove the panel. Alright guys, so the top one is a 10 millimeter. We have two 5.5 millimeter, and two on the bottom, it's a 7 millimeter. Okay, so now that we have removed the panel, we're gonna have to disconnect connectors that we have, and obviously the door handle. And to remove this door handle cable, very simple. Add like you're opening the door, and it's gonna detach. Okay guys, look at this. No wonder when I removed the door panel, this came out, but this is actually part of the speaker. Look at this. Let me show you how the sound was. It was very, very horrible, and no wonder why. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the speaker, and we're gonna remove with the 7 millimeter socket. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna try to use the same shell, so we can put this new speaker, because I mean, I could use it, maybe I can use it, but what I'm planning to do is put it on this shell here, cut the excess. The speaker's useless anyway, so we can use this same connection. Okay, I have it ready, and as you can see, it fits perfectly. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a few modifications, or you can buy the wire harness, whichever is easy for you. But in this case, since I didn't get it, because if you can see, we have 4 wires here, which they go to the same place on the speaker, and we're gonna use the same pattern: positive, negative, and positive, positive and negative. So I'm gonna connect them together, and we're gonna put them, and we're gonna connect it right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna connect these 2 wires here that came with the speaker. Then I'm gonna cut around here, and I'm gonna solder with these 2 terminals here. Okay guys, so I have it ready. I have the wires back together, and now let's put it back, connect it, and test it.
To find out what time the Kiss FM kickoff is happening that day. Then, when we blow the whistle, you keep track of how many songs play until we blow the whistle again. You get it right, you win a pair of tickets to see the...
Okay guys, so as you can see, it is working perfect. Now we have to do the other side. We're gonna go ahead and put everything back, all the connections, door handle, and that should be it. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and put the door panel. We're gonna start with the door handle, and we're gonna connect the connections and the screws. Alright guys, so put everything back. Just gotta make sure that all the windows are working, mirrors, door lock, speakers, we already checked this one, and that door open. And that's pretty much it guys. Well, there you have it. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you on the next video.